Guys, the new ice cream truck finally came. Oh my god. It's not as ghetto as the one that came. Not as ghetto as the bus. I'm trying to fix the camera, guys. Here, so y'all can see it. W Day, guys. I got the new Shrek popsicle too, but they didn't have Miraculous, but that's okay. And they had new bomb pops too. I was like, hell yeah. Bye, Ice Cream Man. Thank you so much. I love you more than I love the bus ice cream truck. You can't hear the music because the speaker's in the front this time. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a good day.